Hi buddy, welcome to answersQ. MyGov, the citizen engagement platform of the government of India, is recruiting interns for various different roles. So in this video, we'll see what are those different roles for which they are recruiting and how you can apply for it. So we'll see all the details in this video. Watch till the end. And before we get into this content, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, special offers that are running in different e-learning websites, job updates, internships, workshops and other online events. And you can also get subject-wise free courses in answersQ website. Make use of it. And just a small tip for those who love to learn in Coursera platform. So if you want to buy any course in Coursera, what you can do is you can take Coursera Plus monthly plan. What a lot of people are doing is they are buying single learning program, which means they are paying 3,000 to 6,000 per month for one particular course or one particular specialization. But what you can do is you can go for this monthly plan, as I said, because here you just have to pay 4,306 per month. But you will get access to the entire Coursera platform. You can access over 3,000 plus courses, guided projects, specializations, professional certification programs. Anything that you want can be accessed with this Coursera Plus monthly offer at this rate. So make use of it. And if you want to support me in any way, you can just make use of my link, which I have given in description, and take this Coursera Plus monthly offer. So now let us move on and see more details regarding this MyGov internship. So MyGov is a platform which was created by the government of India to promote the communication between the citizens of India and the government of India. So this is the basic thing about MyGov portal, and this internship is going to be a full-time internship and you will be mentored by the experts in different areas. So these are the different areas under which you can work. A management team, you can work under the management team, which will be involved in overall functioning of MyGov portal. And then you have a partnerships department, which will be involved in engaging with other ministries of India, and social media research and creative team, HR team, graphic design team, IT tech development and software testing team. So you might get an internship under any one of these departments. And coming to the requirements, it is very basic. You just need to be a graduate or undergraduate. You should possess excellent verbal and written communication skills, and you should be good in word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, social media tools and graphic designing. So these are the basic requirements, and apart from this, whatever you have in your own resume will be an added advantage, guys. So next thing is the duration of internship. So the minimum duration for this internship is 2 months. It can be extended depending upon the performance of the candidate. So if you perform good, your internship period might also get extended. And coming to the remuneration, you do not have any stipend for this internship. There is no cash remuneration, but you can get a certificate of internship from GOV on the completion of internship and submission of report. So these are the basic details given about MyGov internship in their website. So now let us move on and see how to apply for this internship. Just click on this participate now button, and once you click on it, you'll be landing on this page, and here you can click on register now. If you just click on register now, you'll be moving on to another page like this. You have to fill in your details here and click on create new account. So let me just log into my account and catch up after that. So now I have logged into my account. You can see here answersQ. Once you are logged into your account, just click on this participate now button again. And now once you click on participate now button, you will see a form like this where you have to fill in your basic personal details, and then you have to choose the area of interest in which you want the internship, whether you want to work under marketing team or graphic design or HR team, management. Just choose the appropriate option here and then fill in your educational qualification details, and then you have to answer a few questions here. When can you join if you are selected for this internship, and which category do you belong to, so work experience, and then you have to upload your CV, and few more questions are given here. Answer those things, and two references are asked here. So you can just give your professor's name, email ID and mobile number here. You can just get two references and give the details here, and then click on this submit button. So this is how you need to apply for this MyGov internship. So I hope you will find this useful. If you want to get more updates about internships and free online courses, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this.